Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing a hook. Now this is good and used for hanging different stuff. You can hang your keys, but you can also hang other stuff on it as well. So this is solid metal. And it's a very strong, very durable. So you would hang it like this and you can put your car keys over top of it. Or you can hang your hat or a light jacket. And this is just backed by 3M tape. So what you do is you peel off a little corner and then you stick this wherever you want. Now this is super sticky. So before you peel this off, make sure you find the perfect place that you're gonna want this, because you're not gonna wanna have to rip this off, because it's gonna first be very hard because it's very sticky and you could ruin your wallpaper or your paint to pull this off. So make sure wherever you're putting this, that's where you want it. All right, as you guys can see, this is actually really beautiful. I love this color. Let's go ahead, install it, show you guys what it looks like. All right, we're gonna be placing it right here. So we're gonna take enough pressure. Now, apply pressure, and now it's not going anywhere. So great for hanging different things on here. Really nice. It's got a nice lip, so if you accidentally bump something or if you put it on quickly, it's not going to fall off. Overall, I'm happy.